that is provided by luminaires in which discharge lamps are used. Conductor means machine or device for converting one form of electrical power to a different form of electrical power. Double insulation. Insulation that comprises both basic insulation and supplementary insulation. Conditional short circuit current means the value of prospective current, which the equipment, when protected by a short circuit protective device, as specified by the manufacturer, can withstand for the operating time of the device, under specified test conditions. That means so connected to the general mass of Earth, as to ensure, at all times, an immediate discharge of electrical energy without danger. Standard means applicable compulsory standard or an applicable standard published by Standards South Africa, or by another standards body whose standards have been referred to in this part of SANS 10142. Reinforced insulation means single insulation system applied to live parts, which provides a degree of protection against electric shock equivalent to double insulation. Safety isolating transformer means designed to supply safety, extra low voltage cell, or protected extra low voltage L circuits. Sample test means test conducted on a regular basis at the manufacturer's works or on representative samples taken by the manufacturer, or as requested by the purchaser at the time of inquiry or order. Flexible cable means cable of which the conductors consist of strands of diameter not exceeding 0.51 millimeters and of which the insulation and covering are such that they afford flexibility and in which the nominal cross-sectional area of each conductor exceeds 4 square millimeter. Functional earthing conductor means conductor provided for functional earthing. Earthing arrangement means all electrical connections and devices involved in earthing of a system, and installation and equipment. Extraneous conductive part means conductive part that does not form part of the electrical installation. Note examples of extraneous conductive parts are structural, metalwork of a building. Items such as heating tubes and non-electrical apparatus, electrically connected to them, such as radiators, and gas-fired or coal-fired cooking appliances. Doors or walls made of conductive material. Lighting system means systems that provides illumination. Safety extra low voltage means voltage that does not exceed 1000 VAC or 1500 volts VDC, including L. Safety lighting means system that provides sufficient illumination to allow all the occupants of a place of assembly to see clearly enough during a performance to move around or to leave. Such a system includes illuminated exit signs that indicate the exit routes for all the occupants of a place of assembly, including areas such as projector rooms, control rooms, and orchestra pits. Flexible cord means a cable of which the nominal cross-sectional area of each conductor does not exceed 2.5 square millimeter. Safety lighting means system that provides sufficient illumination to allow all the occupants of a place of assembly to see clearly enough during a performance to move around or to leave. Such a system includes illuminated exit signs that indicate the exit routes for all the occupants of a place of assembly, including areas such as projector rooms, control rooms, and orchestra pits. Contactor means remote controlled switching device that is capable of making, carrying, and breaking currents under normal operating conditions, including overload. Earthing terminal means terminal fitted to equipment or to a device and intended for the electric connection with the earthing arrangement. Switch disconnector means switch that, in the open position, satisfies the isolating requirements specified for a disconnector. Switch means mechanical device that is capable of making, carrying, and breaking currents under normal circuit conditions, which may include specified operating overload conditions, and of carrying, for a specified time, currents under specified abnormal circuit conditions, such as those of short circuit. Functional earthing means earthing of a point or points in a system or in an installation or in equipment which is necessary for purposes other than safety. Hard to reach means Volume that is limited by the relevant of the following distances measured from a surface expected to be occupied by persons. 25 meter vertically upwards. 125 meter vertically downwards from the outer edge of the surface. 125 meter horizontally outwards from the outer edges of the surface. And 0.75 meter horizontally inwards from the outer edges of the surface and underneath the surface. Core means single insulated conductor without protective covering. Normal lighting means system that provides general illumination, but does not necessarily provide illumination of exit routes. Electric means covering of a conductor that is intended to insulate the conductor electrically. Extra low voltage ELV means voltage that does not exceed 50 volts VDC or 120 volts VAC. Protected socket outlet means socket outlet combined with or adjacent to and protected by a device that has either overload protection or earth leakage protection.